Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Outdoors with Dunk. Today we're going to do some creek fishing. You know, I've been in a bit of a slump lately. It's been pretty cold and there's not much going on in the backyard pond. I was out in this area the other week or two and I was picking up trouts every little bite. And there may be dinks, but you know, not all fish are big, but all fish are fun to catch. So hopefully we catch some dinks, a little bit of a slump buster. Alright, let's go. First dink of the day. This guy's a baby, so we're gonna put him back for sure. These brook trout. Ain't he pretty though? These brook trout don't get very big. They're pretty sensitive. I'm gonna put this guy back as soon as I can. Alright boys, fish number one. We're on a roll. Let's go, let's go. Well boys, we've been at it about an hour or so. We got, I don't know, 4 or 5 fish and 5,000 or 6,000 bites. I mean, I was getting nailed. I just couldn't set the hook. They were pretty small, but I'm definitely calling this as a slump buster. I'm counting it. This was a ton of fun. I had a blast. I know they're just little dinks, but they can't all be big, but they're all fun to catch. This has been Outdoors with Dunk, reminding you, go outside. It's good for your soul. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.